Hello everyone, in this review we will download the IPTV Smarters Pro on the Firestick. Okay, so here we go to search and we search downloader. Downloader up, here is it. You can find after you write just to network. Okay, download it. Here is download, very quick on it. And you click again to start downloading. Okay, it's very fast. We click to open. And now it's very important to activate some options for downloader to give the downloader possibility to download a model. Okay, so here we return and we go to settings, then to my Fire TV, and here we need to activate these options, developer options. If you don't have, just click on about and click 7 times on Fire TV. When you return, you will find developer options. Click on it and make sure that piece is activated and go to install and non-apps. Click on it and activate for downloader. Okay, it's very important. Now return to downloader app. Here is it. Click on it and click to search and use this shortcut to download IPTV Smarters Pro. So shortcode is 6234188 and click on go. And yes, the download will start automatically for IPTV Smarters Pro. It's the real app. It might take 20 seconds, 30 seconds, okay? It's download verification. After downloading, for sure, after downloading the app, you make a subscription. So also for this thing weird, give you the websites of our IPTV provider, trusted provider, okay? You will find the websites in the description or in the video. So here we will click on install. Here. We will wait until the installation finishes. Now we click on open. We click on save. Here we accept the policy and we choose Xtream Codes, okay? And here you need subselection, so you can just easy go websites in the description or in the video and take your subscription. It's I have chosen the IPTV go wider. Okay, so thank you for watching this review. Don't forget to like and to subscribe. See you in the next video.